United States Secretary of State Antony Blinken announced additional $25 million assistance to help India's COVID-19 vaccination drive. This funding will contribute to saving a life by strengthening vaccine supply chain logistics, he said. United States has already contributed over $200 million for COVID-19 assistance, he said, adding that the United States won't forget India's aid during early days of pandemic. Bhutan has reportedly set a new record after it fully vaccinated 90% of its eligible population within 7 days. Bhutan started vaccinating its population with the second dose from July 20th, and in nearly 7 days, that is by July 26th, 90% of the entire population was reportedly fully vaccinated. UNICEF praised the vaccination drive, calling it a great success story. Health Ministry today announced the decision for providing 27% reservation for OBCs and 10% reservation for economically weaker section in the All India Quota scheme for undergraduate and postgraduate medical courses from the academic year 2021-22. The decision would benefit nearly 5,500 students every year, the ministry stated. Prime Minister Narendra Modi called it a landmark decision. Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi hosted Taliban militants as the country called them a pivotal force. Chinese Foreign Ministry said it expected the militant group to play an important role in ending Afghanistan's war and rebuilding the country. Current situation of Afghanistan and the peace process were discussed in the meetings, a Taliban spokesperson said. On being asked about Pakistan providing safe havens to terrorists, Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan said, Taliban are normal civilians. Where are these safe havens? There are 3 million refugees in Pakistan who are the same ethnic group as the Taliban. Now there are camps of 500,000 refugees. How is Pakistan supposed to hunt these people down? Imran Khan said. Raja Mircha, also called King Chilli from Nagaland, was exported to London via Guwahati by air for the first time, the centre said. Naga King Chilli has been considered as the world's hottest chili and is constantly on the top 5 in the list of the world's hottest chilies, it added. It's also called Bhut Jolokia or ghost pepper. India's 6-time world champion boxer Mary Kom exited Tokyo Olympics after losing in the round of 16 in the flyweight category today. The 38-year-old London Olympics bronze medalist lost to Colombia's 32-year-old Ingrid Valencia 2-3. Ingrid Valencia has won the bronze medal at the 2016 Olympics in Rio de Janeiro.